on your phone to just take a picture of something and it'll just translate it for you.
Oh.
Hey, what the hell is this? Tony. What? Oh, baby. Girlfriend. What's up?
What's up, girl?
What's up, girl?
I feel like it's like jelly. Or like,
Probably like jelly.
I think
or
this
like
is
a
like
gummy.
jelly too. I'm gonna try this.
I'm so excited. What is the lighting? over
Corner
here?
bear. Everyone act natural.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my boyfriend Tony and my friends Amanda and Ben.
Hi.
And we're trying Japanese candy!
I don't know, but this thing is a little appealing.
That looks like tricks a little bit, so I
Yeah,
feel
for
like
some
we
reason
should
it
try
kinda
that.
reminds-
We gotta show the peoples, okay.
Yeah, we have a lot of candy.
Focusing? Alright. Yeah, we can't read none of this, but we're gonna just see how it goes. Oh, dude, these look like Funyuns.
What?
Oh.
Let's give them a glance.
Yeah, you gotta show.
Ooh.
Confused because like they look like it looks like a candy wrapper. Like I would get like I don't know, like it's
Or like
Alright,
cereal.
Alright, I'm going in. I'm trying it.
I don't know if I like the smell of these.
Whoa. Wow, that's what the fuck?
It kind of tastes like seasoned barbecue sauce.
Ah, yeah, I was just gonna say it tastes like super,
I like.
it's really like peppery barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Or barbecue
It's
chips.
actually kind of good.
It's not what I expected.
Yeah, it really
to
threw
be,
me off.
though.
Alright, Ben, you trying this one?
Yeah.
Alright.
I give that like a 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
That red bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that it's hot.
Ugh, it's black.
It's black.
Oh,
Wait,
Hey.
we have to
I wonder
show
if it's
them.
like
You should
licorice.
You
show
have to go
it.
show it.
Let me go show you guys.
It's
That's what it looks
black.
like. Okay, here
Okay.
we
I'm scared for him. What does it taste like?
go. It tastes kind of like caramel.
Really?
Ah.
What?
Alright.
This
Wow.
package looks like it would be like death, like the Grim
Like
Reaper.
death.
It tastes a little bit like caramel.
I was thinking licorice when you opened it.
That's
No,
nice.
that's caramel.
That's nice. Okay.
I think I'm gonna keep this in my mouth.
What's your
Yeah.
what's your rating out of 10?
I rate this. I mean, 10. I'll give it a 10.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
This is some good caramel. I'm not gonna lie. I'm
Good
keeping
shit.
this.
Good shit.
Oh, I want to try the Pikachu thing.
Okay. Okay.
Alright,
That's
cool.
cute. I
Kind of
like
looks like some bubble
I
gum,
can
but it's
still
got
taste
a
those
cute little
chips right
Pikachu on it.
Ooh,
It's
ooh.
definitely not bubble
that.
gum.
That's definitely not bubble gum.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Why is it wrapped
That
like
looks
that?
weird.
That's weird. I feel so uncultured.
I know. We're just
Alright.
a bunch of uncultured
I'm
people.
excited.
Uncultured
I'm excited. Here we go.
Okay.
I think it is gum.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is it
Oh my
good?
gosh, yeah, is it good?
Sorry.
I'm scared. That sounded like it hurted.
I really don't. It's kind of like lemon, but at the same time, kind of tastes like grass.
God.
Yeah, this one got some
That's what
English
it's
on it.
called on the packaging, I guess. But it looks like a it looks like a watermelon cake. It looks like a peach ring.
It does.
It looks like a white peach ring, so we'll find out.
It looks like it's gonna be marshmallowy at the bottom.
Okay, it literally is a peach ring.
Really?
Yeah, like 10 out of 10 is just a peach ring.
Dun, dun, dun.
Coca-Cola.
Yay!
It's just like an oversized like cola candy. You didn't even get any Coke. You just ate the bottle.
It still tasted like Coke.
That's good.
It's good. I give this a 10 out of 10.
You got this one. And then we got this one.
Oh, we might be able to. This
Oh,
one's
oh,
like.
oh, I choose that one. That one looks hot. I want
You
that
gotta
Alright.
tell me
No.
what they taste like first, though. Cheers.
Here, we'll break it in half. You ready?
Yep.
Oh, is it gonna?
Oh shit.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
It snaps a lot
Who's
easier.
calling me?
Wait, should we
Who's
show-
interrupting this?
Did we show them what
Yeah,
this looks
put you
like?
on hold, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, go show him.
This
Show
is
him.
what my
It's a
half
lot
looks like.
longer than that.
It's a lot longer than this,
Yeah.
but this is what it looks like broken in half.
How did you break that in half, dude?
Yo,
They're just like,
you just grab it. And,
yeah, they're just gonna
it's like a cheese puff.
Can I have the
Show
blue
them.
one? Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, that one's like, well, this one's a little orangier. Okay, it broke off.
This looks really weird. It looks like a cheese puff.
Yeah, like a giant cheese puff.
A giant cheese puff.
Are we trying it?
No.
Alright, here we
I
go.
tried it.
It tastes like a cheese, like a
Mm.
cheese puff kind
I
of.
don't know, Tony. I don't know about this.
Mm-mm.
I don't know what this tastes like, but I don't like it.
It kind of
Alright.
tastes like a seasoned cheese puff almost.
You know what it
Yeah.
tastes like? Hot fries.
Yeah.
But not the hot ones.
Yes, cheddar fries.
cheddar-
Homemade
Yeah,
cheddar
it
fries.
tastes like a cheddar fry with no cheddar,
Try this one.
but
Here.
it's gross.
Here, try this one. It's better.
Oh.
Throw that shit out.
I like.
Yeah, that one's
Let
gone.
me try this one.
Yeah, I give that one like
It's good.
a 5 out of 10.
Oh, no.
Yo,
Yep. Nah.
matter of fact, those
Yeah.
get 0 out of 10. If we could go on a negative scale, they'd be down there.
Okay, that's not that bad.
No,
It's
that's
okay.
I'm
good.
not gonna finish it, but it's not
I
that
would
bad.
give it.
I think we should all try one of these little things that look like little pills.
Yes.
It looks like some
They're
medicine.
look like Skittles inside of a medicine package.
Looks like birth control.
Yeah, literally like colorful birth control.
All right, what color am I gonna try? I'm gonna do the only pink one that there is.
Okay, I'll do the only yellow one.
I'll pick green.
It's
I
an
like
M&M.
Yeah.
Really?
It's chocolate?
It's an
What?
M&M.
I thought it was gonna be like a Skittle or something.
Yeah, it's totally M&M's.
It is just an M&M. It's like the mini one.
I don't know what this one is, but it's got a bunch of little guys on it.
Oh, it's cool. Because you can rip it.
This is a little
wow.
sour.
That was really good though. It was full of flavor.
Yeah, these are better than like
wow.
the ones we have
Yeah.
here, honestly.
I think so
It
too.
was like explosive.
Yeah, that really hit me.
Alright, that was good.
Look at that. See that? See that?
He smacked it.
Okay. Maybe, I don't know.
There you go.
Did you give one to
No, that's good though.
Mm.
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
It's kind of plain, I feel like.
I feel like that
Why is it
too.
called a bacon potato pretzel?
It doesn't taste really much like bacon or potato.
I guess I could say potato a little bit, but probably not bacon.
Those are not my favorite.
On to the oyster looking crackers.
Oyster.
I like the cute little elephant on there.
Oh my gosh, Tony!
Kind of like
It's
little cracker
sweet.
cookies, yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Hang on, I gotta try another one because I don't know.
I don't like that aftertaste that it
Nope.
has.
I'm good on that.
Yeah,
Oh, I don't like that. Ugh.
that's yucky. Oh, that's weird.
Ooh.
That's so weird. It's literally like,
Ew.
it's like a gummy. It's a gummy.
Is it good?
It's a gummy. No, it's not very good. It's not very good.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh no, no.
Alright, guys.
stop.
Watch this.
I don't like this.
Mm-mm.
It tastes.
Sorry,
like
guys. Don't mind my dirty
apple.
fingers. I'm a mechanic.
It tastes like it tastes like apples, dude. It tastes like really faint apples.
Ew, I don't like it.
It's really gross, actually. It's like.
Ooh. It's got like a chocolate filled banana on it. Ooh. I like the little
This
nanner
better
guy.
be freaking
Winky.
good. This better be good. Okay, can we like? I hope it's not like a marshmallow. Oh, this is interesting. It's yellow.
Ah. It's kind of
What?
scary.
Show the peoples.
Is it smushy?
Ooh.
It feels smushy. It feels like a marshmallow.
It's like a marshmallow.
Yeah, it feels like it is.
I love marshmallows.
Okay, what should we?
We should rip it.
Yeah, you guys can shit.
Yeah, that's all you
That's
guys.
all you guys.
Oh wow. Okay.
Mander said I'm pulling out the scissors.
Yeah.
Just got it in
Just
half.
cut it.
If it works, I hope it doesn't like stick to the scissors. Oh no, it
Oh.
did.
Hey, yo, Ben.
Oh, it's got stuff on it.
Oh, it's
inside
got
of it.
chocolate in
You wanna
the
split the-
inside.
Yay!
Pop Rocks?
I like it.
I think it's pretty good. Right? It's not bad.
I like it.
Are gonna split Pop Rocks.
It's weird, but it's good.
Japanese Pop Rocks. That's what I'm getting out of it.
We don't know if it's actually that.
Packet.
What?
What? Let me see.
It looks like beads
What?
and pills.
I want to try some of this.
Oh.
Silly. Do I just chew it? Like, I think.
It's like Pop Rocks.
It is Pop Rocks.
What about all these little like candy things though?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it tastes like medicine though.
Does it? Fuck, I don't want all of that then.
Them little candies taste like medicine, but the purple Pop Rocks are really good.
It's grape flavor Pop Rock.
They're really good.
I like them.
I don't like the candies though. It tastes like.
I don't mind the
medicine.
candies. No, the candies taste like
Is there any
Smarties
more
to
of those
me.
left? Oh shit!
The candy, yeah, the candies taste like Smarties to me. I
Mhm.
think they're good.
I like
them.
the candies, yeah.
I
I
like
wish
them.
our Pop Rocks had those candies in them.
Mm-hmm.
Those are good.
You're gonna try to.
Little
You
orange.
gotta Jello shot it.
Jello got it.
I feel like there's a party in my mom.
Okay.
Just Jello shot it.
It was like really thick.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
That doesn't look like it was good.
It does not look like it was good at all.
It
No.
like it had like a real like coconut taste to it.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, it really threw me off. Extra cute. like a little cherry.
Don't drop it.
Maybe it looks like a little apple.
Yeah, it does. That's so cute.
Oh my god, is it real?
I was
What?
gonna say that looks like fruit.
I don't think you can bite that.
Dude, that's like fruit.
You?
It is fruit. I swear to God. Look.
Really?
Oh. Oh my god! Ew, it's really gross.
Really?
That's
Yeah.
all you gotta eat that.
What is it? Really? Are you okay?
Damn, is that bad?
Damn, really?
Tony, try it.
Oh my god.
Did you have to
Didn't
bite
that
it?
shit?
All she did was like take a little nibble out of it. She didn't even like take a whole piece.
Oh, what the? That smells like piss.
Okay, guys, we have these things. They look like little worms. I'm kind of scared, but I feel like we should just get it over with. I'm a little
Let's do
nervous.
this.
God, that was gross.
Yeah. Poor Gwynny.
Take a worm, any worm.
We'll take two for me.
Wormy.
Oh, they they don't smell good. What do they taste like?
Pork rinds.
Really?
Yeah, they taste like pork rinds.
Oh, I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it.
They're pretty good. These are pretty good.
Oh, I don't like it.
There's something about it that I don't
A
like.
little hot. A little hot. A little spicy for me.
Mm.
I like those.
Yeah.
That's good.
Ugh.
Doo-doo-doo. Don't know what this is, but I'm guessing it has something to do with chocolate, but I really hope it's not one of them puffy things.
I hope it's chocolate.
I hope so too. I've been waiting for some chocolate.
Me too.
Oh, it's a chocolate covered one.
Yes.
That's all you guys.
Okay.
Why? You don't want chocolate?
I don't want the puffy
We can
thing.
split it.
I don't want like a. I don't think this is. Oh, okay. That's weird. It's a little weird.
I like it. It's yummy.
For some reason, these like remind me of little everlasting gobstoppers. What shape of them?
They
Yeah.
remind me of like little jacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that too.
Alright. What's with the
Oh, it's like
random
rock
one?
candy or nerds. No, it's like rock candy.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it. Yeah, it's good.
Mm.
I like it.
The pink's good. The orange ain't too good.
I don't care for it.
On to the Happy
Okay.
Tree Friends. Smarties looking things. Oh.
Tony's just dropping everything today.
Something to do. I just got the drops. It's not my fault. Alright, going down the hatch. Pink Smarties. Oh. I
These
melted
are
in my
like
mouth.
yogurt bites.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Yeah.
The ones the babies eat.
Yeah. These
Oh
are
my
pretty
gosh.
good. Not bad.
No, those are good.
We're gonna try the little butterscotch. It literally just says
Butter.
United Butterscotch. So we're gonna try it.
It's probably gonna be good.
Wait, I gotta open it.
Cheers, bro. Oh.
Hold on. Okay.
Cheers, bro.
Okay.
Oh.
This is a really good butterscotch. This is actually
Oh.
like better than the ones that they have here. Like better than the butterscotches they make here. It's actually really good.
Absolutely.
Oh, yay. At least it was good.
Yeah.
This looks like it's gonna be chalky.
Yeah. I'm not too
That's my
excited
guess.
about it, but
I'll open it for you.
thank you. Yeah, this is probably gonna be chalky. It's very hard.
No, put it in your mouth.
Oh, what am I sure?
Oh my goodness.
So this is what I'm eating. Looks like a little cute guy on it. His tongue's blue.
No, thank you.
You know.
I think that's bubblegum.
Yeah, hopefully it is.
Ben likes gum.
I like gum.
Okay, wait.
That's like a sugar, that one.
Oh, it looks kind of like the gum that Tony ate.
Oh,
yeah.
it's blue.
Almost the same way. Hopefully he doesn't lose flavor really quick. That's what it looks like. Alright, there you go.
Down the hatch.
Yeah, gum.
Yeah.
It's tasty gum.
What does it taste like? Blue raspberry?
Yeah.
Which would be
I like
really
the little
good.
can on there. I like all the pictures on this.
I know, I do
Got a little
too.
tamper right there, yeah.
Yay. Oh, it's like a, what are they called?
Oh,
Fun dip.
Yeah.
let me show these guys.
Oh, it's weird though.
It's soda flavored.
Mmm.
Milk cream. Ew.
What?
That's what it is. It's got milk cream and
Oh.
2 Ritz crackers.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Yikes.
Yikes.
It's not like horrible, but
No.
it's not great.
Good. It's not good. Like it's not something I would just buy.
Raymond little thing.
And then noodles.
Oh yeah, they really do look like little broken up brown noodles.
Oh, I think I've had these before. Let me see.
I gotta spit up my gum.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's good. Those taste like what is it?
French fries.
Yeah, they do kind of taste like French fries. Yeah, they taste like cold McDonald's French fries.
Yeah, they do.
I like them.
Little cookie.
A special cookie.
Yeah. Yeah, catch her direct.
Does someone want to share this with me?
No.
Be gonna eat the cookie.
Aw.
Mmm.
Yeah, that was a pretty perfect. Alright.
Right?
Bottoms up. Oh. That's interesting. It tastes like
Oh,
a baby puff, but like in a cookie form.
it's really not that bad, but it's just weird.
It tastes like puffs. It tastes like
Baby puff.
puffs, and like the consistency is like baby puffs, like how it like melts in your mouth. But it's like in cookie form instead of like little star form. Oh, do you want to try the cookie?
I'll be honest, I'm kind of good. Octopus with a bow on his head.
These taste
See
better.
that? I think this is his, might be his teeth right there. See that?
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh, I don't like the way they smell.
More of them corn balls.
Come
Oh.
on.
Whoa.
Okay, they're not too bad.
No.
Nope. You got it?
That was pretty tasty, man. Gonna lie.
What?
I'm not a fan.
Let me try it one more
I mean,
time.
I need to try it again.
Ah!
I don't know.
It kind of tastes like a cheddar fry, but like.
It's like weird because when you first put it in your
Oh, I
mouth, it
dropped
almost tastes like sour.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it tastes goes
I
away.
don't
The
like
taste
I
really
don't
goes
like that.
away.
Nah, gross.
Mm-mm. No, thank you.
I don't know what this one is, but it looks like cookie with frosting in it.
I don't know why we're saying Japanese candy when it's Japanese snacks.
Is it really?
Like most of this was
Mhm.
snacks,
Yeah.
right? Not candy.
It was
like,
both though.
You're right.
Oh, there's 2 cute little cookies in there.
You and G can share that one.
2 cute little cookies.
Cookies.
Yay!
Whoa.
Little cookies.
They look like square
Oh,
Oreos.
it has a heart on it.
Does it? That's so cute.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Is it? Good shit.
It tastes like the
It
Yeah,
tastes like
they-
lemon.
which we've been saving for last because it looks.
Disgusting.
Yeah, better than I thought.
It doesn't really smell like anything.
Yeah.
Nope. No. 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 Absolutely not. That was a -5 out of 10. That was disgusting.
Well, thanks for watching our video. We had a lot of fun. Well, did you guys have fun
No,
doing it?
absolutely not.
Yeah, these are good.
It
These are good.
We
was
should
a
do.
blast.
We should do more videos like this.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
So yeah.
Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Thanks
and
for coming.
We'll catch you next time.
Peace.